Greenland is a huge island located in the North Atlantic Ocean, east of Canada and west of Norway. The island is known for its icy landscapes, rugged coasts, and plentiful wildlife. It is also one of the driest and coldest places on Earth. When traveling to Greenland, it is important to be aware of the different weather conditions that can affect your trip. Make sure to pack the appropriate clothes and gear for the climate. Greenland is a stunning country that is brimming with natural beauty. It has become a particularly popular tourist destination because of the cultural and historic sites, the wonderful wildlife, and the pristine northern wilderness. In recent years, there have been a number of different accommodations made available for travelers to stay at. Looking for flight deals? There are many things you should look out for when looking for airfare. You may want to fly with a budget airline or with a major carrier, depending on what you are willing to spend. I wanted to share some of the things I have learned about flight deals. It is important to have a flexible schedule when booking flights. Some people have no problem booking a flight that leaves in an hour or two. However, if you have to take time off work, then you may not be able to book a flight that quickly. Also, be sure to read the fine print. The cheapest flight deals are not always the best deals. Sometimes, taking a flight a day earlier or later will cost you the same amount of money. It is important to remember that deals may change quickly. If you need help booking a trip, it's easy to find cheap flights and great deals on vacation packages on MySittiVacations.com. Using the website is easy. All you have to do is enter your destination and when you want to travel, and then you'll see all the deals and cheap flights available for you to choose from. Once you choose one, you can book it. Check it out today.